Just look at it, stunning. Snow Fairy's like older, mature sister, but she still likes to have fun. It is expensive, but it's a luxury. Am I going to buy it? Yes, I am. I love that scent so much, so I'm really excited about that. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Honestly, I could cry. I cannot believe it's that time of year again. We are going to go through all of the Lush Valentine's Day spoilers of 2025. I cannot believe I'm sitting here now and saying 2025. The year has come and gone. I don't even know where it's gone, to be honest, and I am just so excited. So as always, I'm going to be going through all of the spoilers, all the sneak peeks. We're going to have photos. It's going to be a really great time. I hope you guys are ready to see some incredible products this year. I seriously cannot wait, and I also haven't seen any of the spoilers. We're going to be going through it together. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. As always, before I dive in, I do want to say a massive thank you to lush.sense on Instagram. This is where I get all my photos, all the information, everything like that, so make sure you go and give them a follow. Also, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. We upload a lot of Lush content on this channel and a lot of bookish content as well, if you guys couldn't tell from my background. I kind of like books, so if you guys like those two things, make sure you subscribe. Anyway, I digress. Let's dive into the range. So the first item we are going to be getting in 2025 is the Love Burger Bath Bomb. This one is going to be £16 and it contains 2 bath bomb buns which are cherry scented, which is an almond, benzoin and cherry fragrance. We then have the Bubble Bar Patty in the middle, which is carrot scented, and this is bergamot, boot shoot and lemon. Carrot fragrance. Doesn't obviously smell like carrots. I mean, it could, but it does not. It smells very fresh, very light, very sort of springish, if that makes any sense. Probably not, but it's really, really good. And then inside as well, you have a lettuce soap, which is rhubarb and custard scented, which is rhubarb, bergamot and orange, which I'm not gonna lie, I love that scent so much, so I'm really excited about that. And then you also get a slice of tomato soap, which is rhubarb and custard scented, which again is the rhubarb, bergamot and orange. We have had this product before. It's really, really adorable. The only thing, my only like smidgen of critique about this product is I don't like the kind of thin soap slices. I kind of wish it was like one chunk and it kind of had maybe the lettuce at the bottom with the tomato on top and you could use it as a whole, because it is the same scent. I just feel like it would last a bit longer in my brain. It probably doesn't, but in my brain it does. Anyway, as I said, that one is going to be £16, which it's quite expensive, but when you look at what you've got, I don't know, it's cute. The next item we have is the Tunnel of Love Bath Bomb. This one is a brand new product and it's going to retail for £5.50. This one is Sultana scented, which is bergamot and olibanum. Now Sultana is a very creamy, light, gentle scent. I'm not going to lie, Sultana of soap. Beautiful. So it's going to smell like that. It's a very lovely scent for people who don't like overpowering smells. Something very gentle, very neutral. Perfect. And I just love the design of this one. It's pink, it's purple. What more do you need, honestly? The next item is another returning product, and that is the Strawberry Crumble Bubble Rune. I'm a massive bubble rune kind of gal. If you don't know what a bubble rune is, essentially it's a bubble bar broken into 2 pieces with almost like a buttercream filling, which makes the water so soft, so moisturizing, and it just is beautiful, to be honest. And also it looks adorable. Like, I want to bite that. Do you know what I mean? I won't, but I want to. Fragrance wise, this one is the You Shall Go to the Ball scented, which is tonka, strawberry and lemon. It's going to retail for £8, which to be honest is quite a general price, I would say, for a bubble bar. You could definitely get 4 baths out of this one, 2 really good ones or 4 nice ones, I would say, and it's just adorable. I absolutely love that item. The next item again is another returning product, and that is the Love Potion Bath Bomb. This one will retail for £3.75 and this is the Kiss scented, which is mandarin and almond. I love the look of this one, and I think if you are going to be buying gifts for Valentine's Day, or you have like someone's birthday maybe around that time of year, this one is a very affordable one and it's absolutely beautiful. It seems to have confetti in it. It's just giving cute, simple vibes. and I love that. The next item is one which I am so glad they're bringing back because I loved this so much last year, and that is the Whispering Heart Bath Bomb, which is going to retail for £6. This again is rhubarb and custard scented, which is so good. Honestly, the smell of this makes me emotional. It is so good, and that is rhubarb, bergamot and orange. It's a beautiful pink bath bomb. I have a feeling there was like some sort of confetti on the inside. I might be wrong, but I'm feeling like there was. I don't know, I might be wrong. Let me know down below if you know, but it was beautiful nonetheless. It smelt amazing. Yeah, I really loved that one. The next item is a brand new product for this year, and that is the Love Struck Bombshell. This is going to retail for £11, and it's the comforter scented. Oh, I love the comforter. If you don't know what the comforter smells like, it smells like blackcurrant, very sort of sweet. It's almost like Snow Fairy's like older, mature sister, but she still likes to have fun. That is what she smells like, if that makes any sense. Probably not. Ingredients wise in this one, it's bergamot, blackcurrant and cypress, which again, it just smells like the comforter. If you don't know what it smells like, get to know what it smells like. It's so good, and this one is beautiful. I imagine this one will be more of a bigger bath bomb because of the price. It looks almost like the yellow kind of arrowhead might come off of that bath bomb, and maybe there's confetti on the inside. That is the vibe I'm getting. That is what I'm imagining in my head, and it looks beautiful. The next item again is another returning product, and that is the Love Letter Bath Bomb, which is going to retail for £4. This is yummy scented, which is strawberry, olibanum, bergamot and geranium. In my head, yummy smells very subtle but also sweet. It's a very, I don't know how to describe it because subtle and sweet don't really go hand in hand, but it's almost like a creamy strawberry sweet smell, if that makes any sense. I really liked this one. I loved the confetti in it. I thought it was beautiful, and to be honest, anything with a little bit of confetti in it, I feel like it makes it more of a magical experience, and I'm all for it, so I love the look of that one. Then the next bath bomb we have is the Love Bug Bath Bomb. I loved this one last year. Was it last year or the year before this one came out? I can't quite remember, but all I know is that I love this. Like, my dream car, if you guys want to know, is a Herbie. Essentially, it's an old Beetle with the Herbie kind of stickers on it. Like, that is my dream. Or in light blue. I'm kind of partial to either, but an old Beetle for some reason has been my dream car for as long as I can remember, and I just love the look of this one. This one is Love Boat scented, which is a lemon, orange and rose fragrance. All I can tell you is that it smelt beautiful. The water was stunning. Honestly, it was amazing, and this one is also going to retail for £6. Next up, let's move on to shower. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a bath bomb. I'm a bath gal. Like, you will see in pretty much every single one of my reading vlogs on this channel, I am reading in the bath, using a Lush bath bomb and having a great old time because I love a bath. However, shower products for some reason get me more excited. I don't know what it is about a shower gel, a body scrub, everything like that. Like, I love that sort of stuff. So that being said, let's go through the shower products. We have got the Posh Chocolate Shower Gel. I know some of you guys are going to be screaming with joy that this product is out, because honestly, the smell of this is, I can't even tell you. Like, I am not one for like a fake chocolate smell. Like, I hate kind of synthetic chocolate smells, like in a candle. I'm just not about that. But this honestly smells amazing. In terms of ingredients, this one has cocoa, sandalwood and vanilla, and apparently, oh, you guys are going to be so happy about this one. Apparently, don't quote me, this one will be staying all year round after Valentine's Day. We are screaming with joy. I am so happy about that because I love this shower gel. I think my mum and dad got me a bottle of it last year for Christmas, was it? Because it came out, didn't it, with another shower gel. There was like a release of 2 shower gels. Was it Sticky Dates? I can't remember. Anyway, I got some for Christmas last year and I have been using it sparingly, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So in terms of price, let's talk serious. So for £9, you will get the 100g bottle. For £19, you can get your 2 90g bottle. And for 29 whole British pounds, you can get the 500g bottle, which, yes, is expensive, but the little goes a long way with the shower gels. I'm not gonna lie, like, Lush shower gels are a luxury. They are expensive. I will use a pea-size amount and get so many bubbles. So I don't know, I think they're worth it, but everyone's entitled to their own opinion, obviously. Okay guys, so the next item coming out for Valentine's Day is the Cherry Pop shower gel. Correct me if I'm wrong, did this come out in a kitchen box? Because I'm thinking it did, and it was absolutely scrumptious. If it smells like the colour changing cherry shower gel, I'm gonna buy buckets of it because it is so, so good. So this is the Cherry Pop Shower Gel. As I said, ingredients, we've got cherry, labdanum, cinnamon leaf, lime and almond. In terms of price for this one, it's going to be £8 for 100 grams, £17 for 250 grams and £25 for 500 grams, which again, it is expensive, but it's a luxury. Am I going to buy it? Yes, I am. So the next item we have is the shower jelly of the collection, and this is the Frog Prince shower jelly. He looks really cute, but also kind of creepy at the same time. Like, I feel like his eyes are staring into my soul a little bit, but I digress. This one is going to retail for £7, and in terms of ingredients, this is grapefruit, sandalwood, geranium and pomegranate, which is Prince Charming scented. I love Prince Charming. Why they got rid of it, I don't even know, because Prince Charming was the Lush shower gel for Valentine's Day. It's like getting rid of Snow Fairy. Honestly, should be against the law, but anyway, the smell, amazing. The next item we have is another shower gel, and this is the Passion shower gel. Again, this one is a returning product, which I really, really liked last year. It's a beautiful glittery pink shower gel. It's like a fruity version of Snow Fairy. Like, it gives that really beautiful pink glittery kind of vibe, but it's a more fruity version. In terms of fragrance, this one is passion fruit, boot shoot, Litzy Kubea and sweet wild orange. And in terms of price, it's going to be £8.50 for 100 grams, £18 for 290 grams or £27 for 570 grams. Why is it 570 grams? Can one of you guys let me know? The kind of gram ranges are changing and it's very bizarre. Anyway, 570 grams, that's a big old bottle of shower gel, which I am excited about. I really want to get a big bottle of shower gel this year, so honestly I can't tell which one I want, but I really love the look of a big fat bottle of shower gel in the shower. I don't know what it is, but anyway, that is the next item. Of course, they had to bring this product back, and to be honest with you, I absolutely fell in love with this item, and I thought to myself, if they don't bring this back, I think I'm gonna cry my eyes out, and that is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Wash. Now, this is a really beautiful, creamy body wash. It's in a pot, so it's almost like the shower smoothies that they used to do, but it's in this beautiful white chocolate and rose fragrance. It is so, so good. In terms of ingredients in this one, it is chocolate, sandalwood, vanilla and rose, and price-wise, it's £11 for 100 grams or £22 for 225 grams. Beautiful. The next item, again, is another returning product, and I feel like this product is really nostalgic. Did they release this years ago? Can someone let me know down below, because I feel like I'm looking at that, I'm almost smelling it, like it looks really familiar. This one is the Strawberry Heart Soap. It's £6 for 100 grams, which is your generic price, I think, for a soap now. And this is Yummy 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 scented, which is strawberry, olibanum, bergamot and geranium. Absolutely delish. Love the look of that, so beautiful, and let's be real, it just screams Valentine's Day, doesn't it? Next up is the massage bar of the collection, and that is the Rose Argan massage bar. Rose Argan is probably it's a staple scent for Lush. I feel like it's very underrated. It's very kind of put in the corner, but like Rose Argan body conditioner is so good. It's a really sweet rose scent, very similar if not the same to Rose Jam. It is absolutely delish. This is a massage bar, which if you guys didn't know, it's essentially a solid body oil, so you can use it either to massage, or you can just use it like straight out the shower, dry yourself off, rub it onto the skin, and you will feel oily. But if you put it on the night before, well, not the night before, just in the night time, obviously you wake up the next morning and you are so moisturized. It's unreal. Like on your legs after you've shaved, thank me later, it is insane. So as I said, this one is the Rose Argan massage bar, and it will retail for £12, which honestly I think is worth it. They last for a very long time. In terms of ingredients, you've got rose, lemon and geranium, and as I've said, this is a returning product. It's beautiful. Just look at it, stunning. The next item in the range is the Sex Bomb Sugar Scrub. Now let me know down below your thoughts, because I absolutely love the new formula of the sugar scrubs. I much prefer like the thicker texture. Honestly, I feel like when I'm in the shower or in the bath using it, I waste so much less, and I just absolutely love them. This one is going to be £11 for 135 grams or £22 for 290 grams, and of course this one is Sex Bomb scented, so that's jasmine, clary sage and ylang ylang, and I absolutely love the scent of that. It's just so subtle but floral. It's a very lovely, gentle floral fragrance, and the look of it, I love it. Like, I love a sugar scrub with multiple colours in it. It looks stunning, and I'm just gonna have to buy it. I have to. It looks so good. Oh, okay, the next item is another soap. I didn't expect to see two, if I'm honest. This is the Cherry on Top soap, which is gonna retail for £6 for 100 grams, and it's Sakura / Rub 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 scented, which is lemon, mimosa, orange flower, and jasmine. I love the look of that. That is so cute. It's giving Harry Styles. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a Harry Styles kind of gal. Please don't unfollow me. I just have never been on the One Direction Harry Styles train. However, isn't there something to do with Harry Styles and cherries, or am I making that up? Is it watermelon instead? Let me know down below if you're a Harry Styles kind of gal or guy. I would love to know because I don't have a clue, but this looks adorable. I absolutely love the look of that, and I feel like with every slice you'll get a really good piece. So yeah, that is the Cherry on Top soap, and I'm here for it. I love that. And last but definitely not least, we are going to go through the facial and fragrance parts of this video. So the first item we have is Goodnight Sweetheart Pillow Mist. This is so cute. I love the look of this one. So this one is going to be £12 for 15 ml. That is the only size it's going to come in, and the scent notes in this one is ylang ylang rose, jasmine absolute, sandalwood, and lemon. Apparently it's similar to the Two More Hearts perfume, and this is a returning product, which I clearly didn't realise. So I love the look of that. That is so fun. Then we have one of the Lush melts, and this is the Love Spell. Again, this is a returning product, and this will retail for £8, and it's rose jam scented, which is rose, lemon, and geranium. I love rose jam. I think it's a very underrated scent. I absolutely love it. To be honest, I don't even really talk about it that much on my channel, but I really do enjoy it. When I'm using it, I almost just forget, which is a real shame, but it's so, so good, and I love a good Lush melt, so I'm excited about that one. The next item we have is the Shut Up and Kiss Me lip scrub. If you guys know me and you've been on this channel for a while, you will know that my obsession with lip scrubs is absolutely ridiculous. I don't need any more. I don't use them that often, if I'm being honest. Like, I will use them a little bit and then I'll kind of put it to one side. I'll buy a new one, and the amount I have is disgusting, honestly. But anyway, will I buy this one? Yes, I probably will. This one looks so cute. This is a brand new product. It's going to retail for £7, and supposedly it's jasmine, rose, and rosewood. I just have no idea what that would taste or smell like. Do you know what I mean? So I'm excited about that. The next item we have is a dusting powder. This is Dust the Two of Us. Really cute name. This is a brand new product, and it's Sex Bomb scented, which again is jasmine, clary sage, and ylang ylang, and it will retail for £11. I love that. Oh, okay, we have another lip scrub. This is dangerous for my bank account because this range, so, so good. So this is the Sweet Talk lip scrub, which is a returning product, and it will be £7. This is passion fruit lip scrub scented / lush puppy scented, which is sweet wild orange, rose, and vanilla. I love that. I love a good lip scrub. You guys know me. I'm not going to talk about it anymore, but all I got to tell you is that they are so good. So good. And the last item in the Valentine's Day collection for 2025 is the Crush lip butter. Now this is going to retail for £6, and this is Crush scented, which is orange, grapefruit, and orange flower. Looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like it would be so citrusy, tropical, amazing. I love a good lip butter. I'm a real big fan of a lip balm, a lip gloss, anything like that. I want one of these, so definitely gonna have to get one. So those are all of the items that are coming out for the Lush Valentine's Day range of 2025. Currently, as it stands, there are no photos of gifts or anything like that, so I'm not going to put them in this video, but there probably will be some, and if there are, I'll try and let you guys know. But those are all the items I'm going to be going through in today's video. I would love to know down below, give me your brutal honest thoughts about this range. What are you thinking? I am really excited about it. I love the Valentine's Day range anyway, but this year I feel like they've really knocked it out of the park, and I'm so excited to smell all the items. So yeah, that is my thoughts. I would love to know yours, and let me know also down below, what is your favourite item from the range? I honestly don't know what mine is. I'm just so excited either way. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do. We are nearing 12,000 of you, which I'm so incredibly grateful for, and I would love to hit that by the end of 2024. And we do a lot of Lush content over on this channel, so if you like that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget, I always leave my Lush affiliate link down below. If you guys ever want to use it, I would be so eternally grateful. But yeah, it's always in my description. But that is everything for today's video. I love you so endlessly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.